Oh shit! Okay.
Don't let perfection get in the way of good enough.
Hey, what's up? Going on out here, doing a little video out here with MOB City MOTO from Vegas. Let's go. That shit is right away.
I'm just kind of taking it easy today. It's our first day riding here and I don't know these trails at all.
That was funny as hell. Oh shit, we almost ate that one.
I saw this trail head off between some tight stuff and said, huh, why not? Let's see if we can't get into some trouble.
Go that way.
GoPros just do not do justice out here for displaying the steepness of these trails. This hill climb was just way steeper than it looks. This final up right here was very intimidating, I must say.
Oh shit! Okay. Oh, this ride is dope. I'm glad we decided to hook up today and come out, because I don't know, I was coming anyways, but it's a lot better to have somebody with you, especially when you're exploring new areas, single track, shit that's like this, because this is hard enduro stuff, and or it can be hard enduro. It's a lot better when you got somebody, because you're a lot more likely to fucking eat shit than when you're just doing a standard fucking trail. So it's cool that this dude came out today. God, this place is dope. Back on the single track, finally.
Washes suck. I'm sure everyone knows that, especially when you're unable to go fast.
Back to the real shit. Looks like a hell of a hill climb, huh?
This trail was super dope till we met back up with the wash, because we never came out of it after this.
Oh shit. Oh, this is fun. Animals are out here.
Well, thanks for watching me and MOB City Moto attempt a single track today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. Check out my boy MOB City Moto's channel. Peace.
That was dope. Oh, that was a good day.
Fun.
Hell yeah.